Because nga, he asked for my hand in marriage and I said yes.
Hindi
And
natuloy.
then I found out na he got somebody pregnant, diba? So, kahit pa paano, diba, he broke my heart.
Ibinunyag ng singer-actress na si Cheryl Cruz na engaged na sila noon ng actor-host na si Anjo Iliana. Sa panayam sa Fast Talk kay Boy Abunda, sinabi ng singer-actress na bago bumiyahe sa United States at nakilala ang nooy asawang si Norman Bustos, nag-propose sa kanya ang dati niyang kasintahan na si Anjo Iliana, na itanong ni Boy is it true na wala kayong closure ni Anjo. Ibinunyag ni Cheryl, actually, nagtampo ako sa kanya noon because he actually asked for my hand in marriage that time before I left for the States and decided to actually try it there. That's when I met Norman. Nagtampo ka because, bakit hindi natuloy? Pag-uusisa ni Boy, na sinagot ni Cheryl, because nga he asked for my hand in marriage and I said, yes. Tapos, I found out na he got somebody pregnant so kahit papano diba? You broke my heart. Pero paliwanag niya, sinubukan nilang ayusin ang kanilang relasyon nang bumalik siya sa Pilipinas.